Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video I am gonna showcase some beautiful collections in the two sections. One is dupatta and another one is blouse collections. In this video I am gonna showcasing you both. So please watch the video from start to till the end. Many of the varieties in the dupattas I am gonna showcasing in these collections. First of all, in this concept, the Nazmin concept, you will be see. These kind of fully Nazmin fabric upon the some beautiful golden zaried embroidery work you also get, and these kind of threading work also you will be get here only. See, these kind of beautiful fancy collections also you will be get in here only. See, these kind of beautiful collections, whatever the pieces I'm gonna showcasing you, these all are available in the set wise. Like, let me give you an example, like these kind of, this is the set. This is the set of 8 pieces. In each pieces you will be get same completely designs with that some 8 different color shades. Talking about the range you will be get in the dupatta sections will be 19, 29, 39. These kind of ranges will be the starting range of dupattas. Next one, these kind of beautiful silver zaried buttas and work concepts you will be getting here only. Length of the dupatta will be normalized according to the wearing upon the kurtis also, lehengas also, or some salwar or chudidas or dress materials also. These kind of concepts are very highly wearable. See, these kind of beautiful flower multicolored threading work also you will be getting here only. All the designs you will be get in the 6 to 7 different color shades. See, these kind of concepts also you will be getting here only. See, these kind of beautiful golden zaried item, and these kind of beautiful cut designing work also you will be getting here only. Next one, this is the pieces which you will be highly preferable and wearable in the Gujarat also and Rajasthan also. These kind of concepts you will be getting in here only. There is no any single defective or damaging items in any of our product. If it is there, then we can exchange also. We provide you COD facility also. According to the percentage wise, you can discuss to our sales executive. See, these kind of beautiful collections also you will be getting here only. Talking about the bulta, multi-color threading buttas work also stick there, and some beautiful Swarovski work also you will be getting here only. Next one, these kind of concepts. In this video, I am just showcasing you some samples of fancy dupattas. We manufacture some beautiful scarves item also, and some beautiful heavy bridal wear collections also. In this, the models is wearable, some beautiful bridal wear collections also according to the contrasting sarees. These kind of very beautiful concepts you will be getting here only. In the next, you will be see that we are having 20 to 25 different ladies wear departments, in which you will be get all the varieties and collections in any of our items in this our channel. In these collections, in these sections, I am going to showcase you some beautiful collections in the blouse dupatta sections. In this video, you will be get some beautiful collections in the varieties of some these kind of beautiful stocks which are going to be available in our concepts. The blouse will be in these kind of cotton concepts also, or jacquard concepts also. See, these kind of concepts also very highly preferable. See, this is the set we are manufactured here only. Single pieces sets will be 39 rupees, and it's compulsory to purchasing in a set. We not provide you single pieces. So guys, if you are interested in any of our variety, these kind of ready-made blouses also we manufacture here on this. If there will be unstitched blouses or regular wear blouses, all the some fancy and occasional wear blouses also we will manufacture here only. These kind of concepts you will be getting according to all the concepts, all the wearable according to your sarees, either it be crop tops or lehengas. So guys, If you're interested to make your own business, then please contact to the screen available number. There is no any language barrier. Many of the languages you will be get experienced salespersons and skillful salesperson according to your taste. So guys, if you are interested, then please know me in our comment sections. Please give your precious reviews, opinions and feedbacks in our comment sections. Our online team will be read it and reply you. So guys, till there, see you in the next video. Take care, goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep supporting.